Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Princess Loolilalu from the amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with a circle on the top left. Then let's move over to the right and let's draw a smaller circle, lower like this. Next, I'm going to zoom in to finish drawing the rest of the head. Inside each of the eyes, let's draw a circle. And now let's add the swirl pattern inside. Let's start by drawing a small dot in the center. And then draw swirls all the way around in pairs of 2. Next, let's move up and let's draw the piece of fruit on her forehead. Let's start with an angled curve on top like this. And then another curve on top. Now inside from the top, let's draw an angle down. And then 2 curves on both sides. Now let's hop to the sides and let's start drawing the hair. Underneath the fruit on the right, let's draw a curve down to the eye and then continue it below. And the same thing on the left side. Now let's move up and let's draw a curve out and around on both sides. Next, in between the pieces of hair, let's draw a curve at the bottom for the chin. Now to finish off the hair at the bottom here, let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then one more curve again. And that's it for the hair. Next, let's hop in and draw the mouth. At the bottom, let's draw a curve across. And another curve underneath. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move up to the top of the head and add the crown. We'll start with 2 angled lines up. Now at the top, let's angle it down and in on both sides. And then 2 more points to close it off. And that's it for the crown. Lastly, let's add the eyelashes. On both of the eyes, let's draw 3 long curves going out, with the middle curve being the longest. And now let's thicken each of the eyelashes up slightly like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 lines down for the neck. And then a V shape at the bottom. Now let's add the collar. We'll start on the sides and let's draw a curve out and back in. Next, underneath, let's draw a circular curve. And then another circle inside. Now let's move back up next to the collar and let's draw a small line out on both sides. And then curve it down and in. And now to close off the bottom, let's angle it back up towards the circle. And then underneath, let's draw 2 small lines down for the waist. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move to the sides and let's draw the sleeves. For the tops of the shoulders, let's draw a curve out and back in on both sides. And then let's hop in and let's draw a small curve. Now at the bottom here, let's close it off with a curved rectangle shape. Next, let's move in and draw the details. We'll start by drawing a wavy line down on an angle. And then add some curved rectangles inside for the sprinkles. And that's it for the sleeves. Now before we draw the arms, let's move down and draw the bottom of the dress. Underneath the waist, let's draw 2 curved triangle shapes going outwards. And then next to them, let's draw a curve out, a wavy line down and back in. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve going down and out. Let's move back up under the waist and let's draw 2 angled almond shapes at the top here. And now let's do the same thing, working our way down and out. Now underneath on the sides, let's continue the shape of the dress by curving it down. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the skirt, let's move in and draw the details. Inside at the top, let's draw a few curves going down. And then hop down in the center and let's draw a circle. And then another one on the left and on the right. And then a bump out on both sides. Next, in between the circles, let's draw a curve. And then another curve underneath each of these. Next, let's hop to the bottom and let's draw a curve up in the center. And then do the same thing, working our way out on both sides. Now let's move up, and in the top sections, let's add some sprinkles. Let's start with a star-shaped one at the top. And then another one at the bottom. Now at the top, let's add a dome shape. And another one below in the middle. And lastly, let's fill in the gaps with some curved rectangle sprinkles. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move back up and let's finish drawing the arms. Underneath both of the sleeves, let's draw 2 angled lines down and out. And then angle them both out again. Now at the end here, let's add the gloves. Let's draw an angled V shape at the end of both arms. Then from the top line, let's angle it back in towards the dress. And then bring it out and curve it down for the hands. And that's it for Princess Loolilalu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!